This video will cover how you can effortlessly create a high resolution image featuring multiple characters like this one, all in just a minute. This is a part 3 of a series of videos to create multiple characters image. If you haven't watched the previous parts yet, please go ahead and click on I button or find the links in the description. By the way, I'm Vishwa. Without further delay, let's dive in. So you can see I have already opened the canvas. So this is the same project which we used in the part 1 and part 2 of this video series. So here you can see the images which we have created in the first part. Okay, I have already taught you how you can create these images by adding the perfect prompt and the settings. And the settings are also same which we used in the previous parts. I'll just quickly tell you again the settings. Filter, we are not going to use anything. In negative prompts, I have just added deformed and blurry. If you don't want, it's okay. Control traits, we are not adding anything. And here, I'll just show you image dimensions. I have taken 1024 because we wanted to create the high resolution image, so that's one. And prompt guidance S, quality and details 50. And number of images, I'm taking 3 or 4. I'll just make it 4. And the sampler we used and going to use, that is the Euler ancestral. So same setting we are going to use to create the multiple characters image again. So as I said that we can create effortlessly multiple character image here. So for that, what we will do, already selected the image, animals image, which we are going to add in one image. You can see tiger, elephant, bear and deer. So you can generate the animal according to your need. Now what I will do, these are the characters, but we need the background. So here what we do, so here you can see background of all the animal images is different. So we need to sync that background. So for that, what we will do first, I'll just, this is the generation frame. You can just click on this fourth option, or you can type G in the keyboard and the generation frame will open. Now I'll just copy the prompt here for the background. You can use different prompt as well. Or if you want to use the same prompt, I'll provide all the prompts in the description. If you want, you can follow along as well. So this is the prompt. I'll just click on generate. So the prompt is circus background, green color, highly detailed, Pixar style, cinematic, realistic. So this is what we got. You can see. If you don't like the background, you can always click on generate again to generate more variations. Or if you want to change the prompt, you can do that as well. I'll just remove the green color from here. Okay, and we'll generate again. I'll just find out whether I'm liking any picture or any of the background. I did not like any background. I'll just write down here specifically circus stage background. Okay, and now clicking on generate. You can easily zoom in and zoom out by using this plus and minus icon. So let's go with this background. Okay, I like this background. So what I will do, you can directly take this or you can just copy Command C or Control C and paste somewhere. I'm just pasting here Control V. This is going to be our background of the multiple character image. I'll just increase the size of this background. Yeah, this much. Now these are 4 images we already selected. Now we will remove the background of these images. So for that, so you just click on each image one by one, and here is the third option. You can see remove background. Just remove the background of all the images. So I'm just doing that, remove background, remove background, remove background. You can just select the animals according to your need. I want to change the image of elephant, so I'll just get different image of elephant. Yeah, I'll just go with this image. I'm just copying this image, or you can simply move that image as well. I'm just copying. I copied, and now I'll remove the background. Can you see? The background is perfectly removed. Okay, you need to see whether the background is properly removed or not. Otherwise, we need to fix that. We can easily fix through eraser, object eraser. Now background is removed. What we will do now, we will place these images in this background. For that, what I will do, I'll just drag this one image over this, and here you can see the image, the deer image is going in the background. So for that we need to bring it to the front. So for that, just bring here the image, right click on Windows, on Mac, control, tap, and you can say bring to front. Okay, and it will come to front. Similarly, you can do with the other images as well. Control, tap, bring to front. And this beer image as well, control, tap, bring to front. Yeah, so images are added now. So we need to adjust the size of these animals so that it will be properly visible. So now we will just do the size according to the size of animal. So this is the elephant. Okay, elephant is bigger than all the animals, so I'm just keeping it big, this much. You can adjust accordingly. And the deer size is, I think, this much only. And here's the tiger. Place the image where you want to place them. So I'll just keep these 3 images. It is like getting crowded. Okay, so it's better to put this much images only. Yeah, so we are done with our adjustment. So now I think this is okay. The elephant is playing with the ball. The tiger is standing, you can say, and the deer is like running. Isn't it easy? This is super easy, right? So what we can do now, like if you can just move the background now, that image are not the part of the background. So to make the image part of the background, what you can do simply, you can just select all these characters with background. Okay, select, and then just copy, Command C for Mac, and then just paste here. Yeah, if you see, so it's part of that image now, animals. So this is our final image. This is so simple, right? This is obviously simple than the part 2. Like part 2 takes some time to generate the image, but this is effortless. I'll just show you quickly with the jungle background like we did in the last video. So for that we need to just generate the jungle background. Again, G. I'll just change this prompt with jungle background, and highly detailed. I'll just say animated generate. Yeah, we got the background. See, this is what we got. I'll just generate more images. Jungle background. I'll just remove this thing. Jungle background, highly detailed, animated. Let's go with this background. Okay. And we have, I'll just increase the size. See, it's beautiful. Now I'll just add this, just bring it to front, control tab, bring to front. On Windows, just right click. See, and we will add this as well, beer, bring to front. See, this is so beautiful. Yeah, so we made the second multiple character image as well. So these are 2 images. I'll just make it part of the background. Copy. Yeah, so this is also became the part of the background. Yeah, so these are the 2 amazing images we have created. Composite images, multi-character images, you can say. Let me know in the comment section which one you like more, with the circus background or with the jungle background. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to show your support by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.